Hi there, students. Inspire, conspire, aspire. Inspiration, a conspiracy, aspirations. So to inspire means to stimulate somebody, to fill them with motivation, particularly in a creative field. To stimulate somebody's ideas or to stimulate their actions. So he inspired me to make a video about this subject. I felt really inspired and I had some brilliant ideas. So to inspire, to fill somebody with an urge to do something. Yeah, to fill them with confidence and ability, especially in a creative field. Okay, so to fill with desire to do something. After seeing the exhibition, I felt inspired to paint. The teacher inspired me, and I learnt a lot. A good leader should inspire people by his example. His courage inspired the others. Okay, to conspire, a conspiracy. This means to plan or plot together, to commit an illegal or wrongful act. So it's like a plan where people work together and they agree on how to do it, but to do something that is illegal or illicit. You can also use it meaning different elements come together to give you a negative result. So, for example, the wind and the rain conspired to spoil my picnic. Okay, I'm suggesting they plotted together. They don't plot together, but they work together in conjunction to give a bad result. You have conspiracy theory, where people say that everything is controlled by a certain group, or there is a group of people that are conspiring, plotting together to manipulate the world in the way that they want. Okay, so to conspire, to plan or plot together. The thieves conspired to rob the bank. Okay, and that's the idea of to conspire. Finally, we have to aspire, an aspiration. This is talking about ambitions. If you aspire to something, you have a strong hope to achieve it. You are striving towards a goal. He aspires to become Prime Minister one day. Our company aspires to be a world leader in this field. So aspirations talk about long-term ambitions. To aspire after something. He aspires after fame. He aspires to a new car. He aspires to become an actor. So this is talking about your long-term goals. Now, all of these three words come from Latin. The spire bit comes from spirare, to breathe. So to inspire, it's like you breathe in motivation. To conspire, to breathe with other people in order to do something. And to aspire, the bit means add, towards. So breathe towards. Okay, to have as an ambition. Okay, what about the formality of these words? I think inspire is neutral. You can definitely use a 5. You can use it informally and formally. To conspire, it's probably a little bit more formal, maybe a 6 in formality. You could use it informally, but I might say to plot with other people. And then to aspire, maybe a little bit more formal again, a 6.5, his aspirations. I think more informally you might use the word his ambition, his goal, something like that. But again, I think you could probably just about use aspire informally, but it's better in something semi-formal or very formal. All 3 of them as well are regular verb. He inspired me. They conspired together. He aspired to become. Okay, so that's those. So to inspire, to motivate, to conspire, to plan or plot together, to aspire, to have an ambition to do or get something. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Inspire, conspire, aspire.